guys, Philip here. So out here today with Ben. We're out here flying the drone in the daylight. When we can actually see it, because I didn't properly set everything up yesterday and we flew it at night, as you guys saw from the previous video. So today we're just out here messing around, playing around. I've never piloted a drone before. I have had lots of helicopters and fixed wing RC aircraft, so that's all the same. The only thing that's really different with the Mavic Pro is it's got a camera on it. That's another element to having to mess with. So out here playing around with it, want to get some awesome video with it, but first gotta figure out how everything works exactly. And I've been cussing again. So anyways, so we're having fun with that. Charged all 3 batteries. Haven't even gone through one. Don't know if we're gonna get it through all 3, but yeah, here's the awesome scenery. You guys might remember this place. I've taken a couple of I've taken some photos here, and on top of taking some photos here, I shot one of the outros to one of my videos here. So anyways, enjoy the drone footage is about to commence, and enjoy.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me.
Take off now.
Are you now? Take off.
Alright, we're gonna turn off. Alright, hold on. Alright, ready? We're recording you now. We're gonna turn on active track mode. Alright. We are actively tracking you, Phil. Go ahead, start filming it and walk.
Well, this is quite interesting. A lot of noise behind me. Oh, look at it right there. I would be recording this with my phone, but my phone is in the controller right now. This is quite interesting. Trying to learn how all this works. Trying to learn how all the settings work and stuff like that. It's quite cool. I'm really enjoying this. Really hoped I can get some awesome footage for you guys and increase it. For today's question, what type of scenery, we live in Maryland, so what type of scenery would you like to see? More water? There is mountains over in West or in Virginia, so I can do that. Go do mountains. Mountains, plains, or water. I think those are 3 good choices. Let me know in the comments, guys, and I can make that happen for you. Alright? So, where would you like me to shoot? What type of scenery? In next one of the, not the next, but one of the next videos. I really keep enjoying this thing. It's like a new toy. I really like it. Low on battery. It is blinking red.
the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black lights. With the black lights. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah.
Alright guys, so Ben and I are starting to wrap it up. We've gone through all 3 batteries. We've been out here flying the drone, had a lot of fun. You'll see the montage and see what we did. It's just playing around, nothing really too fancy. It's gonna be a little bit featuring his Beetle, and then also a bunch of the cornfields and whatnot that's out here. So turning home right now behind me. But I've had a pretty good, decent night tonight. I'm still feeling under the weather. I don't know if you guys can notice it. I guess I've been noticing I'm a little on the paler side of things. I don't know. I'm trying to make the best of it. I hate being at home. I stir crazy like anything. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be the end of this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. And hey, like crew, hey guys, really want see the likes. I got so far right now 97 likes on the last video that's active right now, which is, God, it's really bad that I can't remember that right now. Yeah, just went out of my head. Oh well. Well, you guys will see, right? So, you know what? If this video, which is not really the biggest video in the world, probably gonna be pretty short. If this video gets 500 likes, which is crazy, ridiculous, I'll give away 5 of my Oxman Garage t-shirts. How about that? I'm wearing right now one of my buddy Anthony's shirts right now from A&A Photography. You know what? I'll put his plug, put the description, put his channel in below. Go check out some of his awesome stuff. And well, you already know this guy. Peace, guys.